Hey guys, hello. I still have my gloves on. Come on here and tell us hello. Tell us what you guys are doing on this Monday.
Yes.
Monday. I've got the days right. I will get it right soon. I don't know.
Eventually.
Come on here and tell us hello. Tell us what you're doing. I'm Tabitha the Aunt, the owner of Elegant Living, and this is
Lexi.
Okay, so we just got out of our community, our decorating paid community. I always try to say it like that so you guys know what we're talking about. My hair looks a little wild. We have been, honestly, shopping all day, and we have just made some beautiful florals, and we thought you guys would like to see them. Now, if you'd like to know how to make them, then get in our decorating community.
Join the Elegant community. It's our decorating group. Yes, our private decorating group. You can't get in it unless you are part of the membership.
Yes.
But I have tagged that, and if you want more details about it, let me know, and I'll put it down below.
Yes.
But go ahead. I was going to say, without further ado, I was going to show you the floral arrangements.
Yes. Okay. So if you guys would like to see our floral arrangements that we just made for another customer,
stay tuned. For like 30 seconds. Here we go.
Here we go.
All right. So we are in our shed here. This is where we work, our little office. And we just made this gorgeous floral from scratch. Plain little bucket there, plain little pot.
So pretty. Isn't that pretty? Don't you love it?
We taught you the differences between like filler, and spiller.
Yes.
So, yes.
Yeah,
and we also made this giant one. So if you guys would like to see how we're using them, let us know. This one is gorgeous all the way around. How pretty is this?
Oh, it's so pretty.
So pretty.
Okay.
I love these. We are going to be installing them tomorrow. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys are watching our page so you guys can see where we put these.
Yes, they're so pretty. Okay, so did you tell them the difference? I had to step out for a second.
I have not yet.
Okay, so this is the difference. I'll let you guys know. So this one is going to be on her landing, and it's going to be like on this little buffet, and it's got a little red in it, I think. And I think the actual buffet is red.
Yeah.
But she needed one that is actually just for the pretty around the sides and the front. So that's why we did this one. And I'll show you the difference between these.
Yes, the back is completely flat.
See, it's flat.
Yeah. Because that's going against a wall.
So you don't want it to come, if you make it completely around, then what it won't do, it won't set up against the wall very well. So that's flat on the wall. But isn't it gorgeous?
So pretty.
It's just so pretty. We just love these little pods and all this. And we'll kind of, if you get in the community, we'll show you how to make this one. And then this one is going to be on her dining room table, even though they're trying to take it. Look,
look how pretty this one is. It is pretty all the way around because there's going to be seating all the way around.
Yeah.
So you want to make sure whoever's sitting at your table can see all the pretties.
Yes, all the pretties, the beautiful florals, how we picked them out, all the things, the pots.
Where we got it all.
Yeah, it's really important to keep all the consistencies, how many we bought and all that. But isn't that so pretty? And I love this beautiful pot. Oh
yes,
my gosh,
this pot is gorgeous.
So
it's
pretty.
like a bronze honeycomb.
It's kind of like a little honeycomb look to it, kind of.
Yes, and then this one is a white
dusty
pottery. So pretty. So pretty. We made these from scratch, from start to finish.
Yes, and her dining room table is white. It's kind of a white, kind of a country look. And then her dining room walls are green. So we just thought this would be so fresh and so pretty in her dining room.
Yes.
Yes. Isn't that pretty? Yes. I'm just going to show you every side. Keep spinning it. Keep spinning it. So
keep going. Keep going. All right, guys. Well, thank you all so much for being here.
Yes.
If you guys would like to know more about our Elegant community, which is our decorating group, leave it down below and we can comment back to you and let you guys know.
Yes. Make sure you share, like, and comment for a chance to win a prize at the end of the month.
I almost forgot that. I don't want to forget your guys' surprise, so make sure you guys share it.
Come on. Who doesn't want to share with friends and family, right?
Yes. So much fun.
Yes. Okay, guys. Have a wonderful evening.
All right. See ya. Bye.